On this episode of Clyde's Cache, we go to the Oregon International Airshow in Hillsboro, Oregon. Then we shop at the Lego store and find a geocache. Stick around.
Chance last year and Jim continues to go all the way down the runway.
Hillsboro approaches the runway at nearly 700 miles per hour, and it will then break open.
All right, here, hold my hand for now. Grab this handle when you can, okay? There you go. Pick yourself up. And then, there you go. Yep. And then plop yourself in. All right. You're gonna let us for stepping on chairs.
Nice. There you go.
So the way that the difference that makes us Apache pilots is this bad boy right here. We'll click on the side of your helmet and be in front of your eye. So whenever you move your helmet, wherever you look, the weapon systems are gonna look with you.
And then the bullet's about this big. You see that?
Wow.
That big, and they'll take a big plate just like that one and set it up right through here. And they'll have two guys, one guy holding the little button to manually go, and the guy will just start racking these bullets in there, and they'll start going all the way through around the system.
We have different pieces to help with
Cal, you want to help with the whole
All right, now you're good. So it's about the same size.
Clyde has some money that he's been saving up, and he wants to go to the Lego store to pick something
and buy
up.
some Lego sets.
So that's where we're headed.
They're probably a little lonely. What we're gonna do right now. So 2 and 2 sounds good. Okay, so we're gonna take these guys.
I bet most of the Lego sets are gonna cost more than what I have.
I don't think so. There it is, bro. This is a cool car.
How much around is that? I know I won't be able to get that.
That's 70.
That's what I thought. I wouldn't be able to
Yeah,
get
it's a little too much.
What about
Oh, that plane is cool.
the... Yeah?
That off-road one is really cool.
Yeah.
It comes with mountain bikes. That's the winner. Okay. Alright, this one's a bit of a cash and dash. Can't really help it. The only place to park was like right next to it. It's called Shad Nasties. It's a tribute geocache to the show It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia.
No one wants me to go over there. Oh, here it is.
Nice.
What is it?
Official geocache. Please do not disturb. Fold this up in here.
Yeah, do that. You do that.
Sticker. All right. Do you want to put it
Yes,
back?
I will.